Hello everyone, let's analyze Nasdaq, SPX and Dow Jones and let's see what's going on the micro levels. In the intraday, we mentioned that this is of course your 1.618 here extension taken, and we're looking of course for a correction wave 4. Now this wave 4 is looking of course for this fib level 0.23, and it didn't took it yet, but very likely that it can take it still. Three ways up, meaning expanding flat here, and of course we're looking for wave C, preferably of course to reach this zone area here, the red one, and at least to hit the 0.23 Fibonacci level. I'm still looking for it. All right. Now it has showed a little bit its face, a little bit much more than the intraday, so yeah, it can still be looking here for something, especially if we take a look at the MACD here. Your bullish momentum is reducing. Yeah, so it's shrinking down. The price at the same time is pushing down. It's not in bullish, right? Okay, you got a move up here, but most of it is in bearish. And that means, of course, it's a weakness. It can be, of course, a drop toward the downside here, 3, 4, and a 5, even for the deeper 0.38. Don't be surprised if it happens, all right? That's because on the 5-minute here, on the very micro level, this is your leading diagonal. All right, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside still to finish this wave 5. So very likely to get this wave 5, of course, a little bit deeper. So don't be surprised if we get a little bit more deep correction there. For the 1 hour, also it is very open. It has started, of course, to build some momentum again. Yeah, so especially with this drop, so we gotta be careful with it. 0.38 still fine, but breaking this zone is a red flag. Okay, if we break below 0.38, is a red flag. Invalidation for this would be, of course, currently this wave 1 there, where we are looking for the 28K $591. All right. So currently I'm gonna reduce also the bullish to 70 against 30, and it depends, of course, on how much deep it's gonna be. All right. If we go to 38, and I see still weakness, we might drop a little bit more there. But basically, we're still bullish. Yeah, so nothing yet to be afraid of, guys. So far, everything is fine. Wave 4 can be, of course, deep as well, especially after this move. I mean, it's horrible, right? So after this wave 3 for SPX as well, we are looking here at 3 waves up, and then, of course, a move toward the downside. Now, for SPX, it is looking, of course, kind of like an impulse. We need an impulse anyway, ABC. We took the low without reaching the 0.23, meaning there is something even here a little bit much more deeper in case that this is happening, still looking for a momentum for bearish. Let's check even the 5-minute here, the same as Nasdaq. Yeah, so price is kind of like sideways, and you have bullish momentum failing to push for higher. All right, that means, of course, it's a weakness. We push towards lower. Bearish cross is appearing, yeah, inside the lower part. That is very bearish. Okay, that is very, very bearish here. It's gonna drop very massively. So be careful with it. We might get the 0.38. Okay, 7,655. What it might be the case? Yeah, it can be even like that, guys. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay. So we're gonna watch what's gonna happen, but yeah, it's gonna be deep. It showed its face, the face right now that I was looking for. In the intraday was still missing, but currently I got the signal that I need. All right, so this is regarding SPX. Let's watch this correction. Wave 3 for Dow Jones is done. All right, it is done. We're looking here at a 1, 2. And then we have even like, it can be all of it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. But I doubt it because wave 2 is very shallow. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That means, of course, this is your wave 3, all of it here. All right. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for the wave 3. Therefore, if we want to put this count here, I mean, that will be like many counts, like too much 1, 2s. But if you want, I can do this Okay, let's do that for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna remove the gray. We're gonna use the gray here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so this is your gray count. Now, what I'm afraid of is something here like, what if 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5? That's very critical, right? Um, so we gotta be careful. We cannot know. Yeah, we cannot know that. There is no way to know it, um, only through the correction. All right. To see this correction where it's gonna end up. This is a problem. So you have another 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, and a 5 potentially here in white, and you have another 1, 2 there, and then 3, 4, and a 5. We're gonna put this in yellow. Okay. And this large 1, 2 there, sorry, we deleted also this 1, 2, so we're gonna put another 1, 3, 4, and a 5 in blue. All right. And this large 1, 2 here, we're gonna put it in bracket blue as well, and this one bracket yellow. All right. So yeah, very bullish, of course. We have a lot of 1, 2s, and that's why I was preventing. Do not put that, but yeah, we have no other option, right? I mean, also it's better to be more accurate and following the price exactly as it should be. 3, 4, and a 5. So by adding the counts, you start to question yourself if the things are right or not, right? So that's why we put all the counts there. So there you go, guys. This is what I'm looking for. Currently, this wave 4 there, if we are looking for a wave 4 in the white scenario, so I'm gonna push up a little bit here, this to 0.2354K, 0.72. Now, if we start to see, that means, okay, definitely we're gonna get this area, right? This is the minimum area that we are looking for right now. But if the price will dive very deep here, 3, 4, and a 5, like that, and then having kind of like another drop, okay, we're gonna estimate the 1-to-1 and the 0.38. If we break it, then okay, it's a red flag. That is something that it might be a wave 3 finished, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, meaning we finished, guys. This is where we change our count again if we drop very massively. And that because, of course, it's looking for a deeper wave 2 there, which is, of course, looking for there, deeper wave 4. However, it's not so far from each others, but of course, the lower we get, the higher chance that, okay, this is a finished impulse there for a wave 3. Okay, guys? Anyway, whether we are looking for this wave 2 or that wave 2, it's very negligible. It's very negligible, meaning, okay, it's just a few $100 here difference. So the red zone is almost the same. So what I would like to see here is, of course, a price holding on and then pushing toward the upside again. Timing is also very essential because this wave 2 is very, very shallow in time. Therefore, you need to finish very fast here. You need to hit it and then push directly toward the upside, meaning be careful from a massive drop. If it's gonna take more time here, meaning of course this wave 2 is taking the time over there. All right. So yeah, we gotta be careful with that. Also, I'm gonna take a look on MACD here. So it should be bearish. Yeah, it is very bearish, right? Very bearish. Slow momentum for the bullish. You're still in the lower part here, building up momentum. Yeah, so things are looking bearish, I would say, over there. On the 15-minute chart, the large bearish momentum slowing down the bullish there, as you can see. Yeah, so it's a signal there where the signal and the MACD line open toward the downside. So it's gonna be a massive drop, meaning there, to the red box, not massive like invalidation or something, but it's gonna be over there. Bearish cross is getting closer as well on the 1-hour chart. Okay, so we gotta be careful with that. 4 hours as well for, okay, we cannot talk about the 4 hours now. We're gonna keep it for later. All right, guys, so that was it for the US stock indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.